This 2018 Grand Design Imagine 2150RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 26 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, water heater, slide-out, awning, oven, TV, leveling jacks, skylight, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Grand Design Imagine 2150RB is 5,295 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.